guys, sorry I'm late. What's going on?
Not much, just going over our daily tasks.
But it's the same as always. It is my job to fly over and through the forest and fetch the wood.
And it is my job to go to the well and fetch the water and to light our fire.
And it is my job to cook and season the food to perfection. In a way, only I can.
It's dinner time.
Hey you, over there.
Yeah, what?
Did you know that the mouse and the sausage had you played for a fool?
How so?
They have you doing the hardest job of the chores while they sit back and relax. The mouse fetches the water and lights the fire, but then sleeps until it's time for dinner. And sure, the sausage cooks, but he barely has to pay any attention to the food until the end, where he jumps in quickly to give it a quick taste.
Hey guys, I think it's time for a change. I'm tired of going fetch the wood.
But that is the way we've always done it.
Yeah.
Well, from now on, it will be Sausage's job to get the wood, and Mouse will cook, and I will fetch the water. Ah! Sausage! Sausage! Sausage, where are you? What happened to Sausage? Well, I ate him. Why would you do that? Because he's a sausage, duh. Sausage is dead.
Oh no! Well, I guess it's my job to cook the food now. What did Sausage do again to cook the food? Oh yeah, I remember.
Mouse, I'm home. Mouse! Mouse, where are you? Oh crap, I better get some water.